Hey guys, I am clearly in a different place than I'm normally filming from. I'm home in Washington at my parents'. I'm downstairs where it looks like it's straight out of the 60s or 70s with these walls. We moved here when I was 4 years old and they redid the entire upstairs and different rooms down here, but they never got to the walls in this room and they don't mind them, but I mind them. Sorry if you have wood paneling walls, I just hate it so much. This is definitely a different lifestyle than I'm used to in LA. Like, I don't eat meat and they have dead things on their walls. Anyway, today I am doing a what I got for Christmas video. I honestly think these videos are kind of cheesy and I didn't really want to make one, but I had people requesting it and I also need to make more videos. I have 2 more giveaway videos to complete my 12 days of Vlogmas. It's so hard filming at home. So I'm trying my best, and yes, that means this will have a giveaway in it, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you what I got for Christmas. The older I get though, I feel like I get less. Like I get quality items, just like less amount of things. And also, the older I get, the less my siblings and I get each other gifts, just because there's so many people in the family, so we really only get like our parents things and our parents get us things. So yeah, let's get on with it. Starting off, of course, Santa gave me some candy in a stocking. Usually my parents put a lot of things in my stockings, but they put really random like fingernail clippers and stuff. Lots of Reese's. They know I like Reese's. But my favorite thing in my stocking, did I eat them all already? The Lindor truffles. These are my favorite. They are so good. I'm gonna have one right now. I'm so tired. Also, another reason I felt like it was pointless to make this video is because everyone gets them up on Christmas Day, and I'm like, how do you kids, literally everyone who posts these are pretty much kids, how do you have time to film and edit and post a video on Christmas Day? Like, I want to be spending that time with my family. I don't have time to film a video on Christmas Day. Oh yeah, by the way, did I say Merry Christmas? Even though it's not Christmas anymore, but Merry Christmas. I got a $20 Starbucks card. This will come in handy because I have a Starbucks walking distance from my apartment. Next, my parents got me this wireless charging pad for your cell phone. So this is cool. I don't have anything like this. I'm always like losing or breaking my charging cords. So this will just sit in my apartment, 2 different little stations, and I can just put my cell phone right on it and charge it that way. I think this is really cool. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I'm pretty sure my mom picked this out though. So thank you, Mom. Oh yeah, this. I got this for Christmas. My mom picked this out. She knows me so well. It's a onesie. I know it looks like it's more meant for the holiday season, but I will wear this whenever the heck I want all year long. I think I only have 1 more gift left. Wow. Yeah. Maybe. No, wait. My brother and sister-in-law got me this black head remover thing. She thought it would be cool to do for a video because you know that my audience likes when I make gross videos testing things out. So maybe I'll do that. They also ordered me an eyeshadow palette or a makeup palette of some sort, but it hasn't arrived yet. But it is time for my big gift from my parents. I must say though, I didn't ask for anything this year. Like, my dad kept bugging me, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? I honestly couldn't think of anything to ask for because I'm so grateful for this, but I'm at a point where I feel like I have everything I need. Like, I just got my apartment. I have everything I need for my apartment. I have Louise. I have a car that I like. There's nothing that I need, and I'm at a place where if it's something I really, really, really want, I can, for the most part, get it myself, but there are no like big items that I feel the need to ask my parents for because I don't want them just wasting their money if I don't really want it. So my dad picked out my present on his own, and I'm so grateful for him. He's so sweet. I did not ask for this. I like it. I like it a lot. I didn't ask for this though. I opened my main present on Christmas morning and my dad got me an Apple Watch. Here it is. It is on my wrist right now. I'm gonna take it off so you can see it a little better. He just got me one with a black band, but of course these come off and I can change it out and get whatever color I want. So yeah, it's the 4 series and it's the upgraded one, so I get all my texts and calls and GPS on this. Like, I can leave my phone at home and still get calls and texts to my watch. I'm also really excited about it because, as you know, I work out and these are really awesome for those of us who go to the gym. Okay, I'm distracted. Let me put this back on. I don't know. I'm sure you guys have seen people showing their Apple Watches before, but see, we have all the apps on here. I love how you text on this thing. Let me find my mom. I just keep texting her things, but you just draw out the words. Hi, Mom, I love you. And send. Super cool. And then of course I can like tell Siri to text people. I can also say, where is my phone? Siri, help me find my phone.
I found Danny's iPhone nearby. Should I try to make it play the sound?
Yes.
Hanging it now.
Oh, there's my phone. Thanks, Apple Watch, for helping me find it. And like I said, I can make calls on it, so call home.
Calling home.
Oh wait, I don't have service downstairs. But as you can see, it makes calls, so that's really cool. It has so many features, I haven't even explored it yet. My nephew asked me if he thought it was worth it to get one of these. I think this is really, really cool. I'm excited to have it. I don't think it's a necessity though, obviously. But if you have what you want and you can get this, I think it's definitely cool to have. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. It's a great add-on to my life. So yeah, I'm very grateful. I'm also grateful that I'm to the point where there's nothing I need at the moment. I'm content, I'm happy. But just because I'm content and happy where I'm at, I'm definitely gonna be setting new goals, because the funnest thing to me is like the journey of accomplishing goals. So I'm gonna set some more and I'm gonna accomplish those, and there's gonna be more to come. But that's what I got for Christmas. As I said, there's a giveaway in this video, and I decided today I'm gonna be giving away a soft touch foot peel mask. For those of you who've been around and know that my most viewed video is where I tested out a foot peel mask. If any of you guys get grossed out easily, maybe shut your eyes for the next 10 seconds. Here's a clip.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to be giving away a soft touch foot peel mask. Yay! I know everyone loves those. I've been having people ask me if I would do a giveaway with one. So if you would like to win your very own soft touch foot peel mask, all you have to do is be subscribed, hit the like button, and leave in the comments your state or country that you're from, your Instagram handle or email so I can contact the winner easily, and let me know one of your New Year goals. But that is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with a new one. Bye guys.